In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. Now, to actually be able to do this, you first want to go to their official website, and then on here, you first have to buy some Bitcoin you can then send from Changelly to another wallet. So you want to click on the buy button over here up top in the middle, and then you want to select what you are sending. So for me, I'm going to go for some USD right now, and I'm going to do 10 USD for this tutorial, and then this is how much worth of Bitcoin I'm getting for my $10. Okay, so here you want to make sure where it says pay with, you actually select the one you want. So if I click on view all offers, it's going to give me a bunch of different offers. Now up here you can also choose the offer you want. So as you can see, there's AstroPay, Google Pay, PayPal, Revolut, Skrill, Visa, or MasterCard. So there's going to be a bunch of different ones. Okay, so select the one that's the best for you. For me, it's giving me this Revolut Visa as the optimal rate because I get the most Bitcoin, as you can see. However, you can choose whichever one you want depending on your preferences. So we're gonna go with this one, and I'm going to click on next step. Now, what you have to acknowledge here is that depending on whichever thing you chose in here, so whichever provider you chose, there's going to be a different process when we're going forward from here. So you're just going to have to basically follow the instructions on your screen and you'll be good to go. It's very simple, but here I'll just show you the most important part, and this is the transaction or the destination address. So what you're going to have to do is open that wallet to which you want to send Bitcoin from Changelly. For me, it's going to be Trust Wallet over here, but for you, you can use whatever you want. Any wallet that supports Bitcoin will do. So open up your wallet, look for Bitcoin. For me here, there it is, Bitcoin. I'm going to click on it, and then usually there's going to be like a receive button. Okay, so click on the receive button, and it's usually going to give you a QR code and a Bitcoin address. Copy this address over here, it's going to say copied, and then paste it in here as the destination address. And then when everything looks fine, you can see the transaction details as well, and then click on next step. Now here, as I said, depending on whichever provider you chose here, it's going to be a different step. I chose Revolut, so I would have to basically sign into Revolut over here on the next step. Yeah, there we go. And then I would be able to do the transaction. But if you chose any of the other ones over here, you'll be able to go ahead and do the steps required on your screen. Again, each and every single one of these providers have a different step-by-step process via which you can go ahead and complete your payment and then buy and send the Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. You'll be good. Just follow the instructions on your screen step by step and you'll complete it successfully. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.